Hi everyone, I am Wafa Langao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we have got the second tense, how we are going to change them from active voice into passive voice. We have already discussed that in active voice subject does something and in passive voice subject is affected, and when it is affected in place of object, that is not called object, that will be called agent when you bring subject in the place of object. Okay, let's begin. The past indefinite tense, how we are going to change them. First we will be having simple sentences from active voice into passive voice, and simple sentences of active voice we have all discussed in previous lectures. Main thing to focus on that how you are going to change them into passive voice. So simple sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for that: subject, second form of the verb, object, and then full stop. In passive voice you will be having subject plus helping verb plus third form by, agent, and then full stop. Keep in your mind this subject is the doer of an action. So far this subject is the title subject which we are talking about, and in object something is done, and in agent which tells us who does an action. Now example is, he tore the letter was torn by him, and they broke the wall was broken by them. Now see, over here subject is the doer of an action, and here this letter is known as the title subject which we are talking about, and here he is doer of an action, and here he is affected and he is asked to do something because it tells us who does an action. Now see, in this all passive sentence, it is telling us that action is done by him. In the same way, they broke the wall was broken by them. Now here subject is the doer of an action, and here it is called known as agent. Negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement, or refuse the statement. Like, he did not tear the letter was not torn by him, they did not break the wall was not broken by them. After that we have got interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question or put queries are called interrogative sentences. Like, did he tear the letter? Was the letter torn by him? Did they break the wall? Was the wall broken by them? After that we have got formal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way, respectful way, or we use it with our elders. Did he not tear the letter? Was the letter not torn by him? Did they not break the wall? Was the wall not broken by them? Informal sentences, as compared to formal, it is the opposite of formal sentences. The informal sentences are those sentences in which we ask questions and deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way, and we use it with our youngers, juniors, or with one whom you are free with. You will be using the informal sentences. Did he tear the letter? Didn't he tear the letter? Wasn't letter torn by him? Didn't they break the wall? Wasn't wall broken by them? So these are the sentences of past indefinite tense from active voice into passive voice. Today we will be having the practice of two tenses as compared to the first and second. Now we will be making 10 sentences for 5 verbs. Let's choose the verbs. Like, suppose we say, the first verb we have got accuse, and in the same way the second verb is amuse, and the third verb is abuse. In the same way the next verb we will be choosing here, that is hear and listen. Now accuse, I say he accuses me, I'm accused by him, I'm not accused by him, am I accused by him, am I not accused by him, ain't I accused by him, I was accused by him, I was not accused by him, was I accused by him, was I not accused by him, wasn't I accused by him. So one active, and you will be making 10 passive of one tense, verb. In the same way, after accuse we have got amuse. Amuse means to make someone happy. Like, I say, you amuse him, he is amused by you, he is not amused by you, is he amused by you, is he not amused by you, isn't he amused by you, he was amused by you, he was not amused by you, was he amused by you, was he not amused by you, wasn't he amused by you. And after that we have got third word, that is abuse. Okay, they abuse him. He is abused by them. He is not abused by them. Is he abused by them? Is he not abused by them? Isn't he abused by them? He was abused by them. He was not abused by them. Was he abused by them? Was he not abused by them? Wasn't he abused by them? Next is ear. Ear means okay, ear and listen. I told you, in British English, that is what which you passes your ear, and listen means which you understand. But in American, ear also means to understand. Somehow will make sentence. I hear a news. News is heard by me. News is not heard by me. Is news heard by me? Is news not heard by me? Isn't news heard by me? News was heard by me. News was not heard by me. Was news heard by me? Was news not heard by me? Wasn't news heard by me? Listen cannot be changed into passive voice. This is what, just because of to, we cannot change it into passive voice. So hope you got the today's practice, and you'll keep practicing in the same way. If you have got any question, any query, you can put it on the comment box, and I will be replying that. Wish you best of luck. See you next time. Goodbye.